Hi Mark, it's Mrs. Fisher. First of all, I did go back in and update your grades, so check chapter 2 and make sure we're all square. I thought maybe what I'd do is just kind of take a look at your program using this video capture software, and I'd give you some input. So hopefully you'll have a chance to watch this. So let's go ahead and take a look at your program in NetBeans. You're on the right track, and it looks really good. So you're reading in the month, the day, and the year, and they're all integer variables. And then what we want to do is we want to compare the value the user entered and see what number it is. So if it's 1, we know it's January. So you have if month equals 1. Excellent. Now what you're doing here though is another comparison, kiddo. You're saying month name dot equals January. That's what we would use if we wanted to see if what they typed was January. So what I'm wanting you to do is change this to be month name equals January in double quotes. And that'll assign the value January to the variable month name. And we can go ahead and do that for all of these. So I'm going to go ahead and put it equals February there, and I'll take out the other parentheses. I'm going to let you go ahead and finish this up, but you definitely were on the right track. You have April, May, June, let me get down to the bottom here. And then when you're all done, what you can do is you can add a line to print out your new month name instead of the number. So we'll do system.out.println, and what we're going to do is we're going to print out the month name. So I just type in month name. And then I want to add the day, so I'm going to say plus the day they entered. But before I do the day, I want to try and put a space in between the month name and the day. So I have to do double quotes, space, double quotes, and then I need to add to that the day. And then we had, in the example, we said let's put a comma there and another space. And then the last thing I want is the year. Okay, so this will allow you to print it out using the actual month name instead of the number. I'm going to run it just to show you, even though I haven't changed all the months, but I'll just put in 1 for January. So let me go ahead and run it. It says enter the month you were born, so I'll put in a 1, and I'll say I was born on the 26th, and I was born in 1950. And it prints it out as, instead of 1/26, it prints out January 26, 1950. Like I said, Mark, you're on the right track. You're really close. You end up using 2 like Boolean checks here. So you're saying if month equals 11, which is correct, but then you want to assign, not check, but you want to assign the value November to the month name. All right, Mark, I hope that helps, and take a look and give it a try, and if not, send me an email back, and otherwise I will talk to you tomorrow in class. I hope you're having a great weekend. Thanks.